Do you ever find yourself staring at numbers from your accountant that just don't make sense? If so, you're not the only one. Many small business owners across the UK share this same struggle. Accounting often feels like you're trying to understand a foreign language. You might be given a profit and loss report or a complex spreadsheet, but without clear guidance, it can be tough to see how these figures relate to the decisions that you make daily. And if the numbers don't help you grow or manage your business better, then what's the value in them? I believe the accountancy profession is outdated in too many ways. Too many firms still rely on old processes. You drop off a box of receipts, they disappear for months, and then you get a report back 6 months later that doesn't reflect the reality of your business today. And when that report does arrive, it's full of jargon. Terms like accruals, capital allowances, deferred tax, but no clear link to your goals, your cash flow, or your next steps. Communication is often poor. For many small business owners, the only time they hear from their accountant is at year end or when a tax bill is due. And let's be honest, that's too late to make a difference. Here's a common example. Imagine you get a P&L dropped into your inbox with no explanation. Revenue here, expenses there, and one line at the bottom that says net profit. No context, no insights, just numbers. What is a bottom line or a top line? Which one do I need to know? And how much tax do I need to pay? And then you walk out with 2 bills and back to the daily without reflecting on what you could have learned from past performance. That is the problem with traditional accounting. So why does this matter? As a small business owner, I don't just need compliance. I need clarity, communication, and speed. And I bet you feel like that too. You need to know what's happening in your business today, not 6 months ago. If you're relying on outdated spreadsheets, you're effectively driving your business without any steering. And when you don't understand the numbers, you can't make informed decisions. Do I hire that extra employee? Can I afford to buy new equipment? How much should I set aside for tax? These aren't abstract questions. They directly affect your ability to grow, pay yourself, and sleep well at night. And this is why the traditional approach just isn't good enough anymore. It makes you feel a little disheartened. So what's the alternative? The good news is there are solutions. Let's talk about 3 simple but powerful changes that can transform the way you work with your accountant. First, cloud platforms. Modern accounting is built on real-time data. With cloud systems like Xero or FreeAgent, your bank transactions feed in automatically. You can see your cash position at any time of the day on your phone and without waiting for a year-end pack. This gives you confidence, accuracy, and speed. Secondly, monthly calls and email responsiveness. Instead of a once-a-year panic, your accountant should be talking to you regularly. A short monthly call to walk through the numbers makes all the difference. You get a chance to ask questions, to understand what's working, and to catch issues early. This is one of the most valuable small business finance tips that I can give you. Make financial conversations a regular habit, not a once-a-year event. And third, automation and AI. And that's where technology steps in and changes the game. Tools powered by AI can handle much of the hard work for you. They can scan receipts, categorize your expenses, and even highlight unusual transactions, all automatically. It's not just a time saver. Automation reduces errors, speeds up the process, and ensures your records are far more accurate. Bookkeeping becomes an effortless background task, while AI tools bring key trends and risks to your attention. This means less time spent on data entry and more time for you and your accountant to focus on what truly matters, making decisions that help your business thrive, and having more time to talk to you. It also helps build better systems so your role can feel less like a job and more like a business owner. By leveraging cloud platforms, regular reviews, and advanced automation, you can move away from outdated, reactive accounting practices and embrace a proactive, tailored approach that really works for your business. To wrap it up, accounting in the UK has transformed into so much more than just submitting tax returns. It's now about giving you clear insights into your financial position. When you truly understand your figures, you can make informed decisions, work more efficiently, and minimise unnecessary stress. For small business owners, this change can help you move from constantly putting out fires to proactively steering your business with confidence. And this is how accounting should work: straightforward, transparent, and focused on helping you thrive. If this video has helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for weekly small business finance tips. And if you're ready to see how modern accounting could work for you, the link to connect with us is in the description.